Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Today we have a 2002 Honda Goldwing Trike. Bike is equipped with the California Sidecar Trike kit. Has the running boards, the easy steer, chrome wheels, front tires in good shape. Bike is a silver or pewter in color, if you will. As you can tell here, it has the clear bra on it. That's what these little spider cracks are. This is not the little cracks you see here is not in the body. It's in the sticker, in the actual clear bra here. So this could be removed. We've pulled them off before. It's not that complicated. Requires a little bit of time. Maybe 30 minutes each side or so. Basically a very thick, powerful sticker, if you will. But it works great. You can just leave them on there and it'll keep protecting those fenders. Dashboard's in great shape. $42,600 miles on this bike. Radio works well. Cruise control, AM/FM radio, CB radio. The seat's in great shape. Has a backrest for the passenger, the rider. It's a nice one because it does move forward like this. Some do not do that. Also has the passenger armrest. Also a nice feature. As I mentioned, it has the chrome wheels from California Sidecar. The body's in great shape. I do notice a little scuff right here. You could easily touch that up. There's a trailer hitch on it. No trailer. These kits come with one already installed, so it doesn't necessarily mean the previous owner had a trailer. Although they may have, but they do come with that. Here's another little scratch right here. You can see that's about 2.5 inches or so. Nothing major. All clean up here. Here's the other wheel. 15-inch chrome wheels. A couple cup holders here. They got this one here, and then the riders. Again, here's another view of the clear bra on the other side. Again, you could barely tell it's on there, but it does its job. It protects all these little rock chips from hitting the fender. It's a little oxidation here, typical for Florida motorcycles. Some have them, some don't. You could polish those out. Bike's in great shape. I'm going to go ahead and start it up for us. $42,600 miles on this one. As you'd expect, nice clean Goldwing. Very quiet. Couple lights down there. This one is a 2002, and it also has the easy steer on it. There it is. Any questions about it, please give us a call. We're at 813-615-1700. Our website is www.myridepro.com. We have discounted shipping rates available, starting at $300, and it goes up from there, depending on your zip code. So to get an accurate quote, please give us a call, and we'll be happy to get it set up for you. Other option is you can fly into Tampa Bay International, where we will pick you up and you can ride her home. There it is, 2002 Goldwing Trike, California sidecar Trike kit. Thanks for watching.